Now it's time for you to update your weather app. Using the cache, then network strategy, I want you first to modify the getForecast method in your app.js file to get data from the cache, and kick off a request to the Weather API. Then, update the service worker to check the URL being requested, and if it's a request to the Weather API, cache the response in the data cache before returning it. Make sure you use progressive techniques here, using feature detection to determine if the cache's object is available in the global scope. And make sure that if the network returns before the cache doesn't clobber the network data. When you've completed this step, your app should now work offline. Try loading the app, then turn off your network and your web server to see if it does. You can compare your app to the link in the instructor notes below to make sure it works exactly the same. And don't forget to try your app in multiple browsers. How does it work in Firefox, Safari, etc.? If you try and load this in a browser that doesn't support service workers, it may not work offline, but it should work just fine when online.